Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today is extra special because we're not just unboxing the phone, we're unboxing the collective view. This is Honor 500 Pro POPMart Morning 20th Anniversary Limited Edition. As you can see, this is not just a sticker on the box situation. Honor and POPMart went all in one on this one. Morning is turning 20 this year and celebrate. They created what they are calling the industrial first full customized trendy tech toy, and we are talking customer design from the outside of the box all the way down to the charging animation. If you are a morning collector or just curious about this collaboration, you don't want to miss it. Wow, the first thing, look at this box. It's designed to look like a travel suitcase, and the best part is actually grows. Owner called it light up travel trunk design, symbolizing starting a new journey with morning. And after we open it, everything is so neatly organized. The first, whoa, this is the POPMart and Honor 20th anniversary envelope. And the envelope was sealed by the sealing wax. Okay, let's try to open it and take care of it. Okay, yes. So, let's check what's inside the envelope. It's a morning 20th anniversary postcard. Whoa, it's a postcard from Morning. You can find the Morning 20th anniversary logo and the little printer girl all over. Whoa, this is a SIM card director, looks so premium, and also it's a customized logo from Honor and POPMart Morning. Okay, so this is the first thing we check. And underneath there are multiple components. Let's take everything out and lay it out on the table so we can see the full collection later. And then let's check it box one by one. Okay, this is the another box. Also customized texture and the box design. Whoa, this is a custom camera shaped phone case, I think. Yes, I already checked the offshore news about this phone. So wow, this genius. This look at a vintage camera completely with the lens design, perfect for the little painting thing. Very nice. Okay, let's put it aside first. So nothing left in the box. Okay, let's check another one. Let's put it aside. Okay, so this is the first box. Okay, yes, let's check the left one. Another box. Oh, wow. So many stuff inside. I think there's a film style stickers. These are stickers with morning designs. Great for decorating your case or your journal. Very nice. A film style sticker. And also, I think this is a phone strapper, phone hanger. You can attach this to your phone for that trendy phone trim look. Cool. Okay, let's put it here. And yes, red envelopes and also the fridge magnet. So the Chinese New Year is coming now, so they provide a Chinese New Year themed morning artwork. Perfect timing since we are heading to the new year of the Chinese. And also the fridge magnet, spring couplet design fridge magnet, super cute. Okay, so this stuff inside the second box. And finally, whoa, this is the Honor POPMart Morning Special Edition phone box. So let's cut the tape. And let's check the device. Wow. So the phone is inside, and first is we're protected in a soft plastic bag, and underneath the phone. Okay, another SIM card director in front of us. This is the original stuff inside the box. Also SIM card director, And also the gift card for the membership of Honor. Okay, we can use and scan the QR code to get the membership right, and also have a very basic introduction about the device. And for this special edition, it's based on the Obsidian black. And also here they provide a clean phone case. It's a secondary transparent case. So for these special editions, they provide a special accessories, and also they included original accessories inside the phone box. Okay, and this is the charger and the cable. About the battery and charging, this time they provide 8000 mAh silicon carbon battery with 80 watt supercharge and 50 watt wireless charging, and also 27 watt reverse wireless charging. And this is a Type-C, USB-A to Type-C cable. Okay, so this is stuff inside the smartphone box. Okay, so many stuff inside the box. Okay, let's put this back and let's check more information about the smartphone. Okay, and to be frank, I have test and hands-on lot of special edition box, but this one is the most well-equipped co-branded mobile phone I have ever seen. It provides so many gadgets, accessories for the fans, like the travel suitcase, looks so unique. Okay, so next let's take everything out and lay it on the table so you can see the full collection. And okay, finally, this is the device. Okay, I will get it out from the soft plastic bag and we can finally check the appearance about the device. Okay, now the star of the show, the Honor 500 Pro Moly Edition, is on my hand. Okay, first let's remove this label. And wow, take a look at this back panel. On the Obsidian black glass, Honor used the special CMF process to print the little printer Moly design. She's holding her paintbrush, ready to create. On the different light angles, they measured shift, sometimes subtle, sometimes real pops. And this design is and print on the top is integrated into the glass using that cold carving processor. And Honor uses this on the flagship phones, so it is smooth to the touch and no bumpy stickers and won't peel off over time. And also we can find the camera layout is horizontal, and which actually reminds me of something professional cameras fitting for the painting theme, right? I feel that weight. It's substantial but not heavy. The weight is just 201 grams, thickness 7.75 millimeters, width 74.2 millimeters, height 155.8 millimeters. It's built glass front, aluminum frame, and it supports IP68, IP69, IP69K, dust tight, water resistant, high pressure hot water jet, and also it supports ultrasonic in-display fingerprint sensor and the face unlock. Okay, next, let's wake up the device to check more information about the device. Okay, AI buttons at the right side of the device. Show color button for AI and your agent. System navigation. Okay, MagicOS 10 now enters this OS, and also you can find the wallpaper. There's a customized Moly wallpaper and slide to unlock, and the home screen continues the same. Look at items, they are also customized design too. Okay, very nice. Let's unlock it. Yeah. Okay, let's try to adjust the brightness and then unlock it. Wow, nice. And then we go to settings to get more information about the phone. So for the processor, Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Elite. This is the latest flagship chip. 3nm process, blazing fast, handles everything. You drew at it. Memory from comes in 16GB RAM and storage 512GB ROM. This is plenty for all your photos, apps, and Moly wallpapers. Battery 8000 mAh battery, charging 80 watt, wild supercharge, 50 watt wireless charging, and also a bonus 27 watts reverse fast charging. And also we can find the small punch hole screen, 6.55 inch, 1.5K, and it supports 3840 Hz PWM timing. That's virtual flick free, super easy on the eyes. And also look at the bezels. Wow, super narrow bezel, only 1.05 millimeters, and screen to birth ratio is incredible. Whether you're watching movie animations or editing photos, it's gorgeous. And for the Honor eye comfort display, they have defocus eye care, eye comfort. So you can choose natural tone. Okay, Honor eye comfort display is also super powerful. You can adjust the contrast, brightness here, and also this time for this device we can choose the refresh rate. Maximum support 120 Hz refresh rate, high standard, and also we can adjust different apps for different refresh rate. And don't forget this time for the security it support ultrasonic fingerprint sensor on the display, and also works even with word fingers. And now let's try to have a simple test of the camera solutions. This time for the real camera setup is supposed to make 200 megapixel main camera, 1.4 inch sensor, and this captures in-still details, and telephoto 50 megapixel with OIS and EIS dual stabilization, and ultrawide 12 megapixel macro super wide angle lens. Okay, every camera is usable. Very nice. Molly. You can find the details. And also this time with this phone, this launched new super mode features starting from January 23rd. The entire Honor 500 stereo scaler updates that enable one-click 4K live photos, so you can shoot 4K quality live pictures and share them directly to the social platforms. And also for the front camera, it supports a high-resolution self camera, perfect for your mono-SIM self-portrait. And it supports 50 megapixel wide angle, f2.0 aperture, and they provide more mode for us to choose. Okay, now you can customize the bar. Okay, this is normal mode, and this phone also has a CIPA, one of the best stabilization in the price range. It also provides slow motion, panorama, time lapse, super macro. Okay, let's try to test it. My fingers. I put all the sample pictures at the end of the video so you can check it. Okay, let's try to shooting with a super macro, closer and closer. Okay, and for this device it supports a 200 megapixel mode also, and also support a 5 times optical zoom and up to 50 times hybrid zoom. For the video, okay, pro mode, adjust the different mode, ISO, EV, autofocus. Okay, ISO. You can find the dynamic range excellent, shadows have details. Yes. Okay. Okay, we can use different filter. Autofocus, white balance. Okay, plenty of features. Scan document, night video. Nice. So okay, after spending time with the Honor 500 Pro AMOLED Edition, I've given some conclusion. If you love POPMart, this is must-have on. Also for fans of special edition phones, or you want to try something unique, this is something you really want to test. It's something you should really try. And at the final part is some sample pictures about the smartphone, so you can check it. I hope you enjoy. Stay tuned, waiting for more catch up from here. Bye bye.